Here's how we make a YouTube banner. First of all, go to Canva, then go to what will you design today, and we will design a YouTube banner. So we click on YouTube banner, and then there's no point picking gaming. These ones are gaming style whenever you're an actual coach. So this first one will do, but you can just scroll through. The easiest thing to look for is one that has a line like this. If it has a line like this, then it's going to be straight across your actual channel, whereas if you go to this one, the channel itself will actually cut off half of this. So finding one with a line is perfect. So I'm just going to go with this one and then customize this template. So you'll see it already has a photo here. It has different colors and wording. So I'm going to make this for a client just because I'm lovely. The first thing I'm going to do is bring an image in. So I'm going to fill the gap with that image. Then I'm going to move this grate out of the road for a minute so that I can change the background color. I'm going to find the image and change it to the same color. I kind of like that purple there, so I'm going to leave it and I'm going to bring the grate back down once more. I'm not a big fan of this little symbol, so I'm going to delete it, but I don't mind subscribe today. And then we got to change all this stuff. Let's dance together and all of the website and things. So I'm going to get the details now. So I just changed the name and then added the bio in. So this doesn't have to be anything overthought or spectacular. Then I just put in the tag where you'll find Sonia on most devices. That's basically it. Don't take a load of time doing that. You'll see this took about 5 minutes, and that's getting contact details and everything from another place. If you were doing it for yourself, you'd have all that at hand. So just think about what's the quickest way of getting this done so that you can get your channel out there, and then you're not married to it, so later on you can change it as you develop as a creator. If you enjoyed that video, then you're really going to enjoy this video.